Okay, anytime. Okay,
Yun,
Yorme, banggit na nga lang po, paano po yung magiging
Sistema po.
Well,
Kapag ikaw-
unang-una, I would like to, on behalf of the people of Manila, we are very grateful to JCI Manila sa grupo nila Edison K ng kanyang mga kapwa miyembro sa JCI for helping us creating a facility that can be made available sa aming mga kabataan sa Luzon. Ito mobile computer learning center, very close to my heart to. Kung may paalala ko lang sa inyo, when I was a counselor then, 1998, tinatag ko yung SCOM Moreno Computer Learning Center. That was in 1998. Until natapos ako as Vice Mayor, we've served more than 20,000 graduates. Kaya nakita ko yung value nito sa mga kabataan kasi maraming mga naging estudyante namin went to further study in tech industry. So with this, ngayon through JCI, ito gagamitin naman ng ating Manila City Library Office para ipalaganap ito araw-araw, ilatag araw-araw sa mga barangay sa Luzon na Maynila. Kaya very grateful kami. Thank you very much to JCI.
Mayor, ano po ang Pioneer Barangay na
It
pupunta?
can be anybody. Wala na pa yun, titirahin na kagad natin, sayang. Ilalatag na natin, but easily 2 barangays a week at 896 barangay. At depende pa, may mga challenging barangay, may community, baka mag-stay pa yan for a while. So sa naturing ang mas nangangailangan sa atin sa Luzon.
Ano po ang commitment ng JCI po dito? Dadagdagan po pa ito?
Malay mo, sabi ko nga, mabasa sana sila ng ulan para dumami pa. I do believe that marami pang programa ang JCI Manila. Nakapartner namin sila noong pandemya. Sa kasagsagan ng dilubyo ng buhay natin, JCI Manila is with the city government. And I think nowadays, economically challenged ang lahat. Every help will do. Like in this case, we are very grateful about it. And I hope, as like what you have asked, sana nga madagdagan pa. But for the meantime, masaya kami sa atin.
Specifically, Mayor, ano po yung ituturo po nila, yung instructor?
Computer literacy po.
Mayor, last for me po, tag-ulan na rin kasi, other matters. Ano po yung hakbang natin para mapigilan yung pagbaha sa Luzon? Or at least, ma-address?
Well, we'll continue to develop our drainage system, and I don't know with DPWH how far yung kanilang na-achieve. But with regard to Manila, maraming area na inaabangan namin na ginawa nila. But modesty aside, bumuhos ang ulan ilang araw na dito sa area na to because of the drainage system that we created so far, so good. But I cannot promise that because I don't know, alam mo Maynila, luma Maynila, and we live a few inches below sea level. But for the past days, so far okay naman ang Maynila in terms of flooding. But still, we will continue unclog, clean up the streets of Manila. The very least that we can do as city government.
Thank you, Mayor.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.